Welcome to Axos Online Banking. In this video, we'll walk through how to fund your account once your credentials have been approved. To begin, click on Sign In. From the drop-down, click Account Login. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Here is your customizable dashboard where your account information will be displayed. A funding reminder will prompt you to begin the process. Click Fund My Account to continue. If you were approved for one account, you'll be immediately prompted to enter the amount of your initial deposit. Click Continue to view your options. Depending on the amount specified, 2 or more options will appear. Click on Show More to view all of your options. We'll walk through each option so you can decide what works best for you. Let's begin with our quickest method, bank transfer. Here, you'll be able to select your financial institution. If you don't see your bank, go ahead and type the name into the search bar, then press Enter. Displayed will either be a list of subsidiaries or your bank will not be found. In this case, check your spelling or click the link to manually enter your account information. We'll explain the manual entry in a moment. Let's go back to the list of subsidiaries. If your financial institution has more than 10 subsidiaries, click the Show More link until you locate and select your associated bank. Here we'll display a unique security method built by your financial institution. This authentication process will ask for your username and password, PIN number, security question, or a one-time passcode sent to the delivery method you currently have set up through that specific bank account. Click Continue to advance. Displayed will be all of your available accounts to fund your Axos bank account. Click the checkbox to select the account you wish to transfer money from, then click Continue. Now review, change, or schedule multiple deposits you wish to set up. Make sure you don't exceed your limit. Then double-check everything is correct before you click Fund Account. Congratulations! You've successfully funded your Axos bank account. In the event an error message appears, simply follow the manual process to fund your account. This method will prompt you to wait 2 or 3 business days for 2 micro deposits to show up into your external bank account. To activate transferring privileges, return to your online banking dashboard and click Accounts. Then select External Accounts to locate your pending account, then click Activation Required. Now enter the amount of the 2 micro deposits, then click Verify Account. To finalize the funding process, click on Move Money. Select your external account, then fill out the remaining information below. Click Transfer Funds to review your order, then click Confirm. Congratulations! You know how to set up bank transfers. Let's review the other methods to fund your account. To deposit a check, click Continue. At this point, you'll need to fill out the front and sign the back of your check and write "For Axos Mobile Deposit Only." Now, scan both sides and upload each image to the links provided. If you're using your mobile device, install and open the app to seamlessly make a deposit to fund your account. Congratulations! You now know how to make a deposit to fund your account. Let's review how to mail a check. Here, we'll provide you with your account number and our shipping address. As previously referenced, fill out the front and back of your check. Find an envelope and include a separate note with your account number legible. This will help us verify the specific account you wish to fund. Remember to include your return address and use an active stamp before mailing your check. Mailing fees are not included. Finally, you can set up a wire transfer to fund your account. Click Continue, copy this information, then bring it to the bank you wish to transfer money from to fund your Axos bank account. Congratulations! You now know how to fund your online bank account. If you have additional questions, reach out. Our dedicated representatives are here to help. Axos, banking evolved.